Are you wondering what's happening in our Myrtle Beach real estate market? Are you thinking of buying or selling a home, but you're not sure if this is the right time since housing prices seem so inflated? Well, let's take a look at what's happening in our Myrtle Beach market. Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. I'm going to share my screen with you. If we look in Myrtle Beach, we are looking at all price ranges. We're looking at single family homes, all construction types, all sizes, and all bedrooms. So if we take a look, and we want to pay attention to the average sales price. And let me fix this real quick. We're going to be looking at the most current data, which would be August. So if we look at August average sales price, it was a little over $430,000. If we come over to August of last year, it was $345,000, almost $346,000. That's a lot of difference there between just 1 year. Last month, there were 424 new listings. There were 415 homes for sale. I'm going to skip over to closed sales, and 319 homes closed. So if we take a minute and look at the month's supply, we are down to a little over 1 month supply of inventory. Now, anything under 5 months is a seller's market. So you can clearly see that we are in a strong seller's market. Sellers received, I want to make sure I'm on the average. Sellers received 99.9% of their asking price. And I will go ahead and tell you, in many cases, they are receiving well over 100% of what they're asking for their homes. And I want to look at days on market. Now, we're going back to average. The average days on market is 87, but I can go ahead and tell you that if a home has the components that make for a quick sale, such as location, condition, curb appeal, price, and market conditions in terms of sale, if they're all in a good shape, that house is going to go very quickly, because what we're seeing is that a house that goes on the market is getting a lot of showings fast, and it usually goes under contract if all of those components are in place within a week. But what's happening is sellers want to make sure that they don't sell their house and then end up homeless. But they want to sell their house to get the most that they can, since we are in such a strong seller's market. So what's happening is they get the house that they are buying under contract, and they extend the escrow period so that it's 2 or 3 months. People don't like to wait 3 months, but if somebody wants your house bad enough, they will. So extend it out as far as you can, and then they put their home on the market and extend that out so that the two closings can pretty much coincide with each other. Because the contract reads that it's going to close on or before this date. So if you can get a further date, if everything's ready early, you can change that date as long as your attorneys and everybody is ready for that closing. So even though this says 87 days, realistically, it's probably gone under contract within a week. And we've talked about percent of list price. Shows depending, usually getting right around 12 showings per home. And that's probably happening within the first few days. So again, I'm Janet, and I'm with Janet Bunting Team Properties. If you have any questions, or you'd like more information, or you're thinking about buying or selling a home, give me a call. I would love to help you. Let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.